Hello, my name is María Camila Pérez Trujillo. I am studying International Business at UNA. I am from Pailita Cesar. I present to you my life project. Students, my first goal is power finish my universe greens and do a specialization. Hope, have a good hope, especially an airport, since it catches my attention. Al Abul are airplanes. Here, good, emotional and mental stability is essential for my personal growth. Economy. Being financially well is very important to me since I can support my family and whatever needs it with. Mental dream. Ours wills when it has have been a house or a car. It had to be able to be 10 in the features. Travel. Travel the world is my dream as out there and in the sure while in the rich love. Heaven and bring to me family that who I long for it. Much thank you.